there's another one which is called the Pixar Story Spine, which I love, which is any Pixar film you've ever watched will follow this, and there's loads of stuff online about this. The Aerogram Writers Studio website is a fantastic resource for stuff about the Pixar Story Spine, and that is the classic once upon a time, and then this happened, and then this happened, and then this happened, and then finally, which is the sort of the bit where everything goes okay, and from now on this is what happened, the end. And so that's a sort of classic structure as well. I often use that for myself in telling the story about how I got into storytelling. So my kind of career trajectory, I tell it as that kind of story. So in the beginning I did this, and then this happened, and then this happened, and this happened, and now I do this. So that can be quite a useful structure. And I think for anyone inexperienced and anyone feeling a bit daunted at using storytelling, have a look at those as structures and use that to hang the information off that you want to try and tell.
Yeah. And again, for those who want to understand, want to see an example of what, for example, what you've just described, the Pixar arc, the Pixar framework, and how we can apply it to business communication. Again, I might be wrong, Suzanne, but I think that looking in preparation for our very first conversation before this chat today, I had a look at your LinkedIn profile, and I think I remember your bio, your LinkedIn bio follows some sort of a Pixar structure with once upon a time, the equivalent of once upon a time in business. And then there is an element of because of that, and then until finally something happens, right? So for our listeners, go and have a look at Suzanne's LinkedIn profile, and you can see how you can apply these principles even to a very business related message, which is LinkedIn profile.